Hi, today I'm gonna be making a how-to video, and I won't be showing my face, so I'm gonna be repairing this looking glass, and I just barely broke it. Naturally broke it accidentally, and we're gonna put this Gorilla Glue to work. So this is a super versatile glue. This glues wood, plastic, vinyl, even like threads. You can even glue this on threads or maybe belts. You can glue fabric with it. So it's not a bad glue at all. So I'm going to be gluing this here. So I'm going to take this part and I'm going to okay, see, I got that part on right there, see? And this stuff is really strong. Alright, and I'm going to take this part and glue it together. And now we're going to let it dry for a couple of 10 seconds. And that's all. Just a couple 10 seconds and that's it. So this is how you repair a plastic looking glass. Thanks for watching.